Page 203, this is number 2 in the middle of the page. We're harmonizing, just like we just did. So let's see, we're in 4/4 time, no sharps or flats, so it's C major or A minor. We're studying minor keys. I can tell you it's in A minor. Just do the scales for both. And there are pages, that'll help too. 4/4 time, did I say that? I can't remember. Okay, 4/4 time, clef signs, we did that. We didn't do that, but we're going to pretend we did. And then the melody, I want to hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now that melody to me is in 2 phrases, so I'm going to play it as 2 phrases. In 4 bars, I'm going to lift up between them. So between measures 4 and 5, lift up, like taking a breath. Otherwise, I'm connecting them as best I can. You don't have to interpret it that way. That's how I'm going to do it. I warned you. Okay. Then the chords. Well, in A minor, 1 chord. They want a 3 augmented. Oh, goody. Well, let's see. First, do the 3 chord. 1, 2, 3. And then you do the augmented. That's, remember, it's a major third and a major third. So you just take that up 1. So it's 2 major thirds. That's what they want for the 3 augmented. And then the 4 chord is here. 5 chord, 1 chord. Now you do that again. Augmented, 4, 5. It doesn't sound too wonderful on its own. I don't really want to move around, so I'm going to try inversions and see if I can figure this out here. So the 1 and the 4 chord is easy enough because you just write here. And the 5 chord, you're coming down, except I'm going to use the harmonic, so it's here. So those are okay, but this 3 augmented, well, it's these notes. How about these notes here? So it's like the 1 chord I just came down, this one came down here. And that gives me a 3 augmented. Okay. So it's here, then a 4, 5. See, the difference between a 5 and a 3 augmented is the middle note. So I'm not moving around. Okay, I got the chords figured out. Now what does it sound like with the melody? Now, I don't know if I play it here or here. You can try both and see. Then here. Then 4. Then 5. And again. Okay, not too bad. Try it again with natural minor instead of harmonic minor. In other words, instead of a G sharp, play a G natural. So it's here. Now the 3rd augmented has to be a G sharp on the 4. And here, that's the 5. Doesn't sound very good, but that's it. It does. But you try the different ones which you like. I like the harmonic better, so it's here. So I'm going to stick with the harmonic minor. Do the patterns here. 4/4 time. That one. There's all kinds of patterns. Pick one. It's up to you and your imagination as to the pattern in the left hand you want to play. You just want to do the block chords, that's fine. You just want to do the bottom note of the chord. So here we have a 1, a 3. You're going to miss out on the augmented because you're not going to hear it. And then the 4 and the 5. You want to hear the augmented part, you gotta play that one. The purpose of the augmented is to have that G sharp, so that's really probably the note you should play, huh? Now, just for kicks and giggles, as if that wasn't enough, they want you to transpose this to G minor. Isn't that just wonderful? Well, we're in A minor, And we're going to go down one whole step to G minor. G minor is relative to B flat major. B flat major has two flats, B and an E flat, so G minor, B and an E flat. Except if I use harmonic minor, I'm going to raise the seventh step up to an F sharp. So those are the notes I'm going to use. And then the chords, well, one chord is there. The 3 chord, 1, 2, 3, is here, except it's an augmented. I want that one. I want the F sharp. And then the 4 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, here. And then the 5 chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here. So those are the chords. So 1, the 3 augmented, then the 4, and the 5. And then I can use the inversions so I don't move around. So we have the 1, and the 3 augmented is here. If I put the F sharp on the bottom, I'm there. So I'm going here to here. The only thing moved was a little finger. 3 augmented, and then the 4 is what we've always had here, however you finger it. And then the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here's. So it's here to here. So I'm going from a 4 chord to a 5 chord back to a 1. So it's a 1, a 3, a 4, 5, 1. So I have an idea of the chords and the progression. Then I hear it with the melody. And here I'm in this position. I was here, I'm here. I'm playing these notes here. Here. And I'm just coming, instead of an A, I'm playing a G. And the 3 chord, and 4, and here. And so, sort of what it is. And again, how you transpose this melody, the different ways of doing it. You can do the finger numbers, you're not moving around. Whatever. You can mentally do it in the music, just down instead of an A, it's a G. Just each note is one note lower than what the music says. You just have to stick with the keys, the notes in the key signature, and we have B flats, so we have to do that. You can also do the melodic interval thing I mentioned earlier, where I'm here and the next note is a third up, I go a third up, third up, third down, second up, and then you're a fifth down. So you can do that way too, different ways of doing it. Experiment with these chords on different patterns, so you're not just doing block chords all the time.